Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove viruses on Android phone. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to simply click on my phone master right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on security scan. And the next thing you need to do is to click on start scanning. Scanning for risky apps might take some time on your phone. This depends on the number of apps and data you have on the phone. So you need to allow it to load up and then show you some of the apps that constitute virus on your Android phone. What you need to do, if you sight on any app that is constitute virus on your Android phone, what you need to do is to simply get rid of it. Just click on the app and remove it. It's as simple as that. And your phone will be free from viruses. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.